because of the research and innovation background the Cranfield has. I've always been interested in designing and developing innovative products, but I was more of a problem solver, and I wanted to upgrade myself, learn more about how to design a product for the user, use all the latest methodologies and tools. They're very useful, especially the rapid prototyping facility we at C4D have. We have 3D printers, CNC machines, laser and plasma cutters, lathes and multiple machines. So it would be very useful in your group projects and individual projects, as well as if you have any creative ideas or anything that comes to your mind, you can actually design them and develop them. My advice would be make good use of all the resources Cranfield provides, and be confident enough to say that what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and what you're not good at. You'll be surprised to see how the faculties and even your course-mates come and support you, encourage you, and guide you throughout the journey. Fun, challenging, and curious.